Hey, my loves. I've been gone for a couple of weeks. I've been very, very busy, as you know. I'm trying to get started my website. I got some stuff I'm about to get together real soon, but until then, let's get into this video real quick. This was my giveaway winnings from PinkMask. They are kind of like a new company. Um, they're cruelty free, vegan, and their formula is 13 free. That's what the formula is. So I was like, ooh, and then I think it was their first giveaway they was doing or whatever for the US. And so it happened that I won second prize. So I was able to get 9 color polishes and a matte and a glossy top coat. But yeah, you guys, I've been gone for a while, so yeah. I have my website coming up pretty soon. I'm gonna be selling quite a few things, so I'm thinking I'm gonna put everything on my main site and just have like certain things on Etsy because I don't know. It's like all over the place, the stuff I'm selling. It's not like just one particular thing. It's like especially it's for your body, basically like that, and accessories and stuff. Stuff for like nail stuff in your body. There's nails and body and face mostly, you guys. Nail art. I'll leave my website and my Instagram to that one as well in the description box. So let's get into this video, guys. So, okay, when I try these colors out, you guys, oh my gosh. When I tell you these are the best polishes I have thus far, like in my collection, like I'm not joking, like these are bomb. Like they're so rich and creamy and smooth and everything above. Like I don't know, it's like I don't have no Madame Glam or Madame Glam, Madam Glam, however you say it. I don't have none of that, but I don't know. If I was guessing, I'm thinking like it's a close to it because it's literally a one color, you guys. Like, seriously, I'm not playing. Like, look at that. Oh my gosh. I had to do this one first because, you know, I love blue. It's like my favorite color, if you guys didn't know. Blue is my favorite color. So I'm saying it because I'm doing a giveaway pretty soon, and you guys gonna need to know one of my colors. So stay tuned for a couple more videos, and I'll let you guys know exactly what it's gonna be. And yeah, stay tuned and make sure you keep notes of my videos, you guys, for the past week or so. So yeah, that went on with one coat, you guys. One time, that was one, and it's very pigmented, it's rich in color. I don't know what to say, you guys. My camera was kind of throwing off the color a little bit, but I'm thinking this is like the closest you're gonna get to like what the colors really look like. Also, the bottles are 15 milliliters each. Forgot to mention that, so you know. But yeah, you guys, I don't really have a lot to say, so I'm just gonna let the video play along. Oh, and at the end, my video got deleted somehow, like towards the end, so um, you'll see one coat of the polish at the end, and I forgot to show you with the top coat on. But then at the end of that, after that, you'll see it with the matte top coat, and I put the matte top coat on half of the nail, so I don't know if you'll be able to tell that half of it is matte and half of it is shiny top coat. But yeah, you guys, these colors are really good. I think that what they sent me is for like every season. I had something for the fall, the summer, winter, spring. So yeah, pretty good colors, you guys. Check them out. I think I'm about to get some more colors. I gotta see what the price range is and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm gonna use these colors again. I'm gonna do something with some kind of design or something. But yeah, I'm not like you guys. Like these polishes, like seriously. I know I said it's about a lot of stuff. I know I do, but these were as a whole different level. I wish you guys was able to hear me like the original video, but it was too much noise in the background. But these colors, y'all, like for real, these colors are really bomb. And that green right there, that countryside right there, that could be used for like, I think any time of the year actually, especially winter time. It's a pretty green and that blue. Okay, this white, you guys, it remind me of whiteout because it's like white, like really white. And the white and the black went on so nice and smooth. The black was one coater as well. There's no whatever it's called, the little wrinkly, crinkly stuff on the side where it shrink up. There was none of that at all. None. But yeah, you guys, I said I was gonna be quiet, but yeah, I'm done. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'm so glad to be back. I might be gone off and on again, you guys. So if you see me not on here, that's why. I'm trying to get everything together for my website and everything, and start selling my stuff and get some test products out there before I start selling more things. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're a new subscriber, hey girl, hey. I'm glad you took the time out of your day to hit that subscribe button. If while you hit the subscribe button, don't forget to hit the bell as well. It really helps me out. Hit the like and comment and just say hi or heart or anything. I don't matter. Doesn't matter to me. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.